How to create YouTube thumbnail in KineMaster. Let's see in this video. Before getting started, make sure to like this video and subscribe our channel for more updates. So first of all, you have to open up your KineMaster app. After that, you have to tap in the create new option over here. So since we are making a thumbnail for YouTube, you have to select a ratio of 16:9. After that, you can add any media, or for thumbnail you have to select the image assist of any of the color. Here I am selecting white. After that, here in the right hand side you can see the layer option. Simply tap on that, and from here you have to tap on the text option. So type the text that you are making the thumbnail of. For example, I am making a video on how to make a thumbnail, so I'll write is how to create. After that, tap on OK, and you can edit this by changing the font and color. You can select any of the font over here. Here I am selecting the Roboto Bold. And further, you can edit the color of the text. Here I am selecting the black color. For that, you can adjust it over here. And you can also even add the media over here. So for that, you can simply tap on the layer and select the media. Here I have already saved the YouTube sticker. So you can simply tap on that and adjust it over here. And further, you can add the text. So after doing that, you can add other various options, like you can animate the text and also change the color of it. You can also add other various option is per your needs and wishes. And after doing this, you can easily upload it in your gallery over here, and you can use it in your YouTube. So in this simple step, you can create YouTube thumbnail in KineMaster. So I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for more videos like this. If you need any videos on any topics, don't hesitate to comment down below and let us know. Thank you for watching till the end.